What buoy are we going around?
The orange buoy.
The purple one.
The scene of
Look
the
for the
crime.
purple buoy.
Counterclockwise?
Wait, so will we have the
purple
buoy
buoy.
on our right or our left?
You're going around the buoy counterclockwise, so that means the buoy will be on your left shoulder.
As it has been the whole race.
Yes.
Same way we did the kayak race with.
So I'm going to say 3,
start on
2,
your
1,
left,
go.
okay?
You're going to go. You're going to go around the orange buoy with the
start on
buoy
your
on your left shoulder, and then you're going to come back and run your bow into the mud up here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go, go, go! Go in! Go in!
Where are you going, girls?
They need this. Oh.
Good striker for the Girl Scouts, whatever it is. Good.
Whoever gets away clean.
Good.
How you get away clean.
You got hit again.
At least you get a straight shot.
Last night, I just missed the storm.
Barely hanging on the third.
You want a little,
Yeah. Right.
That's just so great. He's amazing.
You need to get him back in there.
He's amazing.
Oh, you're in all the Advil. What Advil for?
You may run into a few boats along the way.
Yeah.
Just so you know, there's a race going on right here.
Right there.
Tell them you won it. What do you mean? We won the race.
That's the end of the race.
It's Danny that's doing it. She's got you guys going so fast, you don't know what's going on.
All right, everybody, let it ride!
Going!
Good job, you guys. Good work. All right.
Right in, right in.
Coming in hot.
Let's go, BBH!
Good job.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good rudder job there, Kate. Turn the rudder on there. There she goes. Oh, that's so cute. She's waving.
Going.
Good job.